Hello, welcome to this video about the TeensyTap. My name is Floris, and in this video I'll show you how to ensure that you have millisecond resolution on your Teensy device when you're using it to run sensory motor experiments. So in the paper we have shown that by default the Teensy has an audio resolution of about 3 milliseconds. This is described also on the GitHub page, which I've opened here. If you want to bring that down to a resolution of about 1 millisecond, so very, very precise timing, you just need to make a small change in the Arduino default code. So the details are described here, and I'll just show you how to do it. So the first thing is you need to go to where you've installed the Arduino IDE, and then in that directory go to hardware teensy AVR. So let's actually do it as I'm speaking. So we go to hardware, we go to Teensy, we go to AVR, we go to cores, we go to Teensy3, and then here there should be a file audiostream.h. So open that in a text editor, and let's see what we get. Great, okay. And so right here at the top there should be a setting for the audio block samples. And so by default this should be 128, but we're going to change it into 32, as you can see here. So let's go. And notice that our processor is the MK20DX128. So MK20DX128, so that's this guy. So the line that we need to change is this one. And so I just can change this to 32. That's it. You save the file, you exit. At that point, what you need to do is to re-upload the Teensy code. So let me go back to where I've installed the GitHub code. And I open a terminal right there, and then I type make upload. Now, this is the same as during the installation video. So it will automatically compile all of the code and then upload it. And now it will automatically take the updated audio stream header file that we just edited. So nothing more is required. We just sit this out. Great, so now it's uploading it. Great, and now it's uploaded. So at this point, your TeensyTap has now been upgraded to true millisecond resolution, as the data in our validation experiment in the paper is revealing. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this is useful for your research.